come to my crib.
The schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and little baby that going crazy.
Okay, our neighbor has basically set the freaking grill on fire. Look at all the fire, and they're smoking like crazy. Oh, hopefully you can't see me. He opened it up the first time and the flames went all over and he like quickly shut it. What is he doing? Were people watching? You reloaded. We relocated to be outside now. They have this cute little area. Look at this. Flowers. Here's our game. We're playing another round because I might have lost the first one. So now we're playing, like, I'm gonna be these two and Carlos will be those two. So just sitting here, and you can bring your alcohol when you walk around. Just like a cute area. Look at that. They have lights and you can like walk, sit on there. Oh, it's just precious in here. But we're sitting like on no cushions, so Carlos is trying to get cushions right now. I just feel like my butt's gonna fall through. LOL. Oh! We're back from playing parchisi and I lost both times, but it was really close. Carlos was shaking in his seat because I almost won and beat him. Now it's 10 and like we actually haven't ate dinner yet. I don't know why, so I'm gonna have some food. Some Caesar salad. It's a huge salad from Costco, so I'm gonna have some of this. I haven't even felt hungry actually, and then Carlos is making a big fire in the back. Yeah, it's kind of just a chill night. We went pretty hard last night, so we need a recovery day. Bon appetit. Dinner is served at 10 o'clock. I'll give you guys a little taste test bite, tell you how it is. I'm gonna mix up the dressing, it's all over here. All in one spot. Okay. Let's go.
I think we're gonna need more paper.
This is massive. Here's the finished product that Carlos made with 2 sticks. Literally, he just rubbed the sticks together and then it made this.
2 rocks and some paper.
2 rocks together? That's what happened. storming like crazy today. Morning, guys. You saw already, today is pouring rain. That's okay, we'll still have a fun day doing something, maybe watching a movie. Right now, making breakfast. It is, my Fitbit's dead and I'm in a Fitbit competition. I'm gonna lose. Anyone relate to that? Forgot to bring it. I don't know, it's probably like 1, honestly. Yeah, it's past 1. We're just kind of chilling, you know? I'm making some eggies. Once again, vegans, close your eyes. Making some eggs on the pan here and it's just sticking like crazy. I'm also gonna have some bacon. Carlos made his Mexican breakfast. He's having taco chips with tacos and a Caesar salad. He actually just went right now to go and get juice and salsa because we have chips up here to eat. So yeah, the store is like literally 2 minutes away. He had to go run outside because it's still pouring. Last night we just basically had a fire and then we played, actually we played battleships, which, to be honest, like this is gonna sound bad, I always thought it was like a boy game like when I was a kid. It was my first time ever playing it last night because it was just like battleship and like sinking ships and I was like, oh, I don't know. And like, I just never played it as a kid, but I played it last night and it's really fun. So everyone should play it. And then we also are playing Scrabble and we're in the middle of that game. I'm currently beating Carlos by 1 point. We're very competitive, as you can probably tell. But yes, and then guys, I'm also gonna, I put some cheese in there and I'm also gonna toast some bread and then do some bacon. Okay, Carlos is back from I thought you were actually falling over.
Did you tell them that she has like the most gentle, softest voice?
Oh yeah, this lady right here.
Oh, she can hear us.
Anyways, that lady's really nice, that's what I'm trying to say. But this is the breakfast. So I already showed you guys what he had, but look, he added salsa. He bought some chili at the store. Orange juice. And then I just added a little bit of salsa to mine. That's my finished product.
Mexican breakfast, white people breakfast.
Chili's Mexican breakfast.
Saved me at Wee Fest. So if you're going to Country Fest or Wee Fest and you have nothing, just get like 10 of these and you're good to go.
Bunch of chilies.
Just make sure you bring toilet paper.
Cheers. One touch it.
I've won battleships.
I literally just told them that I'm winning Scrabble right now.
I'm waiting for Myrna Hamer to show up because she's a real competition.
Shut up. Wow.
Hey.
I have to. You're throwing out. He couldn't finish it. Oh, jeez.
That's basically done.
Okay, well, I'll eat it. I just can't put it in the garbage. I'm unable. This is our movie setup. We put the couch down and we made a cute movie area. We just watched the most messed up movie of all time. Called Would You Rather? Would You Rather? Yeah, it was the scariest movie ever. So now we're gonna watch Grown Ups too. And it's still raining. This is where we're watching it. My mom is here now, eating chips and veggies. And now I'm gonna go barbecue some smokies. Guys, we had to document this because we are barbecuing in the pouring rain. I'm all trying to be bundled up under here, but I'm also getting soaking wet. We finally got the barbecue to start after like 18 tries because we don't have really any lighters that work. I'll show you what we're queuing up. A little bit of that and a little bit of this. Smoky. Okay, we're all out of here. Goodbye to Big Buffalo. All cleaned out. What the heck?
See you later, Big Buff.
Bye. Okay, Mom. What'd you think of your night stay at Big Buffalo?
Too short. I could stay longer.
Yeah.
Better tonight.
And finally it's sunny. For the first time in 10 days, it feels like it's sunny.
Oh, we had a day of rain.
Yeah,
two.
1 day of
2 days of rain.
Really?
So nice out when we're walking to go get breakfast. Thank you.
It just takes everything.
I took everyone. I got
mine.
you guys. I got 3 breakfasts. Did you guys order anything? It looks good though.
Yeah, like a little,
Wow.
a little presentation.
Yes.
Pepper.
Oh, we should have grabbed that. I can go grab it. I'm here too. I'm always vlogging.
Little baby wrist pads. Oh, soda's going back on.
Those are raindrops. It's raining again. Again. So we just went to the Laughing Loon here and we got some stickers. Look at these. They're so nice. They're really good quality if you do like the little scratch test, and we're gonna decorate the tackle box with these. So that was my job to decorate. So I have this one. They all say Falcon Lake. This one's like black and white, which I also really like. And then this one's really cool. Right here. I think the black and white one is my favorite though. So I'll show you when we decorate the tackle box. It's gonna look so nice. Aren't these nice? $10 for 3 of them. Hey guys, we are on our way back to Winnipeg and look at the weather. I always talk about the weather on my vlog. I don't know why, but I'm always talking about the weather, but it's nice out. We're on the way to my grandma Tilly's actually to help her with a Zoom call. And then we have to go to a birthday party with Carlos's family, and then we're going to a bonfire later, so we have an eventful day. Come on, fire me up. Fun fact about this song, Carlos and I did karaoke to this at his family's Christmas, and you know, we got a canister of sugar. They gave it to us as a prop during our karaoke, and it actually was full of sugar, and Carlos dumped it all over me in the performance. He didn't know it was full.
The song says to do.
It was so funny though, and then his family was there in like 5 seconds to clean it all up. They had a vacuum like right there all of a sudden, and it was cleaned up before the end of the song. It was actually pretty funny. But so yeah, we did karaoke to this song. It was quite funny. But yeah, so that's the end of our little lake vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and maybe it will inspire you to go to Big Buffalo yourself, or go to Falcon Lake and buy some stickers from Laughing Loon. Okay, well everyone, thanks for watching.
Peace.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Ready? Wait. I freaking love you. How does the outro song go?
Yeah, that's how it goes. I freaking love
Now it's gonna fade. But my voice is gonna go, but it's just gonna fade like this. It's not gonna like cut off.